Hello, just wanted to show you how to make bulky yarn. This is 100% Angora rabbit. There's Satin Angora, there's German Angora, there's French Angora. Most of the type I carded, like, I don't know, 75% on Satin Angora and mixed it with other breeds of Angora fiber. The reason I'm doing bulky to knit that cowl dress, so therefore I need lots and lots of bulky yarn, and I'm doing it 2-ply. So I have a bobbin sitting there, it's already spun, and I'm going to ply it with this, and I have other bobbins sitting here waiting for me to fill them. It's a lot of work, time consuming, but it's really fun. Yeah, it's really hard to describe. If you're a spinner, you would understand me. To create one of a kind, you know what I mean? And yeah, so I'm doing it slowly due to the bulky, chunky, so the yarn won't break. And I'm gonna knit it with 2 strands of Annie Blate yarn, 100% again.